Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I just thought I'd throw a video up that company I'm building in the last 2 months now. I haven't gone public with this, only the last week or so. I'm very happy with it and it's working very well. It's a company that you actually participate in, and the company actually pays these exchanges. That lends them money basically, and what your job is, or what you do, is you're lending money to these exchanges through a HODL, okay, and you're getting a reward. It's like a liquidity reward, okay, and you get paid per day, which is absolutely amazing, really. You can go to bed not worrying about whether crypto goes up or down, okay. So what it is, these exchanges lend money to these traders, okay. Say for example you go to like Binance, or you go to Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and you want to swap your coins. You want to swap your coins from, say for example, XRP to say Ethereum, or Bitcoin to ADA. Yeah? And what happens is the exchanges charge fees, to the actual person who's doing the conversion. So we get a part of those fees, okay. That's what it's about. So basically you don't have to worry about trading, you don't have to worry about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency going up or down. We're going to get paid anyway. That's the beauty about this concept, okay guys. Meanwhile, let me quickly show you my back office, okay. When you actually sign in, okay, you can actually use quite a few wallets. There's, let me quickly show you. If I click in, connect my wallet, okay. So mine's MetaMask, okay. But there's loads of wallets here, okay. There's, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Browser Wallet, Biget Wallet, OKK Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and so on. As long as it's very similar to this, or you just go to Wallet Connect. You might not have a wallet in here which doesn't show. You just click this button here. What it is a smart contract wallet, okay, right? So I'm using MetaMask, okay, so I'm going to click in here. So I'm going to connect. We're just connected automatically there, okay, because I've been logged in anyway. Okay, I've done a video on this. If you're happy with this company, just sign up. I'll show you some information about how you click on my information anyway when you actually sign up. But meanwhile, let's quickly show you my back office anyway. But this is my back office, okay, and if I go to liquidity, I'll show you the amounts I've paid in and I'm getting paid. These are my liquidity pools, ledgers, okay. So basically on the 12th of November I put $1,000 in, and I did a 90-day contract, and it's paying me 0.5% per day, okay. Right. And the beauty about this, guys, in months' time, well, in fact, 16 days' time, I'll get my $1,000 back, okay, but I've been paid already, okay. Well, I'm still getting paid every week, all right. Quick show you. These are my withdrawals, okay. So I do withdrawals every week, every Mondays, all right. So basically, what you're doing, you're just getting paid your return on investment, okay. There's three contracts. There's 30-day contracts, which pays you 0.34% per day. There's 60-day contract, which is 0.42% a day, and 90 days, which is 0.5% per day. Okay, this is completely optional. I went for the 90 days because it gives me more return on investment. Okay, I'm very happy with that. And if you get paid every week. You can actually re-enroll. When it says re-enroll, it means that you can compound your funds. So you get paid every Mondays, and you can either use your profit to re-enroll, and now there's more compounding. Okay, it's just like a separate contract, or you can withdraw. It's entirely up to you. Withdrawals, when you actually withdraw, it takes roughly about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the blockchain. Okay, sometimes the blockchain's a bit slow. I have been paid with about 15-20 minutes, sometimes 2 or 3 hours. Just depends on the blockchain. So, sometimes, when Bitcoin goes up, because at the end of the day, the mother of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. When that pumps or dumps or whatever, there's massive traffic on the blockchain, so it does take a bit of time sometimes. But this just shows you that it's legit and it's working very, very well. You can actually build a team. It's up to you. You don't have to. A lot of people don't like building teams. It's completely optional. I have done a video on that separately. Let me quickly show you my my back office. When you actually sign up, I've actually done a landing page to make it easier for you to understand, and explains how you get involved in this business by clicking a link, how to set up your MetaMask wallet, how to and other bits and pieces as well. But please, follow this. Let me just quickly grab my information. There we go. Right, here we go. This is the website you'll be clicking onto when you come into the actual platform. I've made it quite simplified. I've put all the information there, but please read it. Please don't skip it. Please read the information here, okay, and watch the actual video here, because it's very, very important. You've got to understand. You've got to understand the concept of this business before you participate. At the end of the day, I want you to be comfortable with the company, and I want you to understand what you're investing into. Okay, all right. So please read this. All right, it's very important. There's information here about if you want to build a team or if you want to get people coming into the business. It's not a problem. Okay, but please just go for it. Just go for it. It's taken me ages doing this, and also if you're not clued up about wallets, okay, I use MetaMask. But there's a video in here. It shows you how to set up. All the wallets are exactly the same. You might have for example, Trust Wallet, okay, or a Phantom Wallet, okay. It's all the same concept. But please watch this video how to set up a wallet up if you haven't got a wallet. Some people have got wallets, wallets which are marrying with the actual platform, like DeFi wallets, but please watch this video. It's important. Okay. Step 2: when you actually sign up, you will come to this page here. All right. That is my referral wallet address. It's built in basically. Okay, it's engraved into the actual platform by clicking my link. Okay, my link will be right down the bottom down here. All right. But please read the information. Number 3, and it tells you. It just explains all about how to make a deposit, what currency you need, USDT, BEP20, okay, that's the famous red button I was on about, take action now. My contact details are here. That's me, Matt Feast. I'm your sponsor, and that's my email address. You can get hold of me, and also you can get hold of me on my Facebook. Just click on these buttons here, and also you can contact me on Telegram. Okay? We do have a Telegram group. We do have webinars every day, and we do have lots of information coming in, which is quite regularly. And also, you do get very, very good responses. So if you have a problem, you can either reach out to me. But I'm based in Thailand, so if you're in Europe and you can't get hold of me, you can always leave a message or help. Just ask support in the actual Telegram, and someone will help you. Okay, but you really, really need to be a paid participant. In Telegram, I will add you if you paid. Say even that's $10. It's $10 to get started. If you paid minimum $10 or whatever you can afford, I will add you to this group. Okay, but you need to reach out to me and see if you're a real person. And the rules are in Telegram group: please do not spam, and please do not side recruit, because you will be removed. This is for professional marketers like myself and people who want to change their lives. Obviously, to make some good return investments and getting paid every day. Don't abuse that. Okay. Meanwhile, thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. My name is Matt Feast. Any questions, any answers, please reach out to me on YouTube and all my social medias. Links. There will be below the video, okay? And if you want to go a one-to-one Zoom call, I'm more than welcome to do that, not a problem. I can send you a link and we can have a little talk about company I'm promoting, and I can even get you set up. But it's quite self-explanatory. But if you follow my websites, okay, come into the business, any problems, any issues, reach out to me. Okay, don't be shy. Reach out to me, and I'm always here to help you. And if you do have a problem and I'm not available, please leave a message in the Telegram group. That's if you're a paid member. Me and my guys, have a great day. Thank you very, very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And give my video a thumbs up if you like my video. And also subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing other videos regarding this company. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, have a great day. Thank you very much for it.